Kusabaningi inkulumo esabalele ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana, lokho kulandela kufike uThabani Hlatshwayo laphana-ke ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana, njengoba-ke ethi uveza amafayela, akhuluma yonke-ke into acabanga ukuthi-ke ingasisiza umphakathi noma-ke ekuyiyona efihliwe. Sawubona uphinde ngophulafunya khona lo mbuso njengamanje ubuyena la uyena uMathenda Ghost, intombi zomqamulo amehla akhe abanye zabaqhamela phansi umali tubazi. Ngana kwethu ngabe usuku lakho lokuqala lami othenza ukulungele press i-subscribe button uzisho ukuthi like kuze njalo masifaka amavidiyo kube wena wokuqala ofaka i-notification. Engenza kwethu umgibe unconyo kakhulu ngesixwayiso sifake ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana, kanti-ke ubexwayisa uThabani Hlatshwayo laphana-ke insizwa esizakhela udumo ngokuveza-ke amahlazo noma-ke ezinye zezinto okusuke kwazi ukuthi ngaleso sikhathi azaziwa, kanti-ke yona ebese ivele ithi ibhadla laphana-ke ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana. Ngaphandle komusho isikhathi sakamntwana sekhaya asingene kuyona-ke amavidiyo ebese uyaphawula ngokuyikhona okuzwile ma kuphela ividiyo.
Bheke! Webantu baka TikTok. Nonke nje zinja. Nonke nje imbongolo. Engifisa ukusho ukuthi nakho. Iyekeni lento yeni yokuthi umuntu afike adelele ku social media. Adelele, ajivaze, alulaze izithunzi zabanye abantu. Bethi bengambulala. Ebese nina nikwazi ukudetector ukuthi lo muntu loyo ubulawe ubani. Lonto leyo iyekeni. Hey, out Thabani Hlatshwayo. Lamasimba othi usiqiniseko wabulawa uSiyamyeza. Amasimba lawo. Maybe let me help you kanje. Alikho icala elivala forever enkantolo unless there is sufficient evidence. So njengamanje if ukuthi ayekho umuntu okaboshwa ngicala likaqiniseko, hamba epolice station wena eNigel la kwavula khona idokodo likaqiniseko, ubatshele ukuthi unalobufakazi obusha nabo, uyezwa, and then uSiyamyeza aboshwe. Yekela ukwenza ubulima lapha uzenza isihlakaniphe esilibele lapha. Lento ngisho ukuthi vele baningi abantu ababehlezi bekhuluma amasimba vele, even nakimi bekhuluma udoti, including naye usiqiniseko lo owathi mina ngabuyela udubule, omunye wabo loyo waze wenza ivideo edlala ingoma kaFalabo ethi inyoka endala esho mina engabena uya endaweni yesigameko eye police station enike amaphoyisa ubufakazi obushwa kuboshwa umuntu. Yekelala ukudelela abantu ko TikTok ebese mase sebeniqhufuza ebese niyonuka abantu abathile nina zinja nina. Ninonke nje. Mgibe loyo. Biggie, school out.
Ivideo ekseni kaMgibe ngikhonjiswa abantu bengisendela ilinki bethi mfethu nawe uMgibe ukhuluma ngawe. Ngicela ukwenza kanje manje ukuze kuzoba lula. Siyaphazamiseka ukuthi sothi sithi sifocus emntweni esiyenzayo mase kuba nabantu abafuna nje ukuthi babuye sifollowing ngokukhuluma ngegama lethu. So I won't tolerate any of the videos that are going to come after this statement that I'm releasing. I'm no longer gonna be part of people that wants to argue with me. I am not going to do that because you guys definitely, you are time wasters, rotten potatoes who want also us to be rotten, and I'm not gonna be paying attention to you because you distract us a lot. There's a lot of time and a lot of things that we did not do when we were attending to Lonely Care, who is claiming to be born in a kingwood. But now I am just going to tell you that I am not going to be attending you guys or responding to any of your videos. No matter if you do a video, you must just know to me that you are just like a pamphlet, just like a statue. You are not going to move me. I am not going to talk to you because you are looking like a wall. It's like an extra communication system where you speak with an object that can never be responding to you. So I am not going to respond to you. This is my decision. Whatever comment that you make in my name, I don't want to lose focus on collecting monies of people then start to face you, because once I start to do that, everything in my side, it stands still. So angengize ngikhone ukuthi ngilibele ngiphendulana nani, ngizofocusa nje focus ekuthenini silanda iy'mali zabantu, then nina uma ngabe ninezinto eniyishoyo then zidiscusseni nabalandeli benu. Mina I won't be part of that. Nizoyithulela nje and focus in whatsoever that I am doing. Bafowethu, I hope niyaphila lapha enikhona. I hope niyaphila lapha enikhona. Ubugebengu buzophela bona kancane kancane. We are going to clean our country. Ubugebengu buzophela kancane kancane ubuzo. Because I know you. This is uSiyameza. Igama lakho ungumfundo wakamtshali. I know you, my boy. Like ukufa nje kasiqiniseko kwaphuma emlonyeni wakho ahamba ngempela usiqiniseko. Because you are sure ukuthi usiqiniseko usehlala eSprings and lahlala khona. I am 100% sure ukuthi wahlanganiselwa wena uthi uyamsiza kanti uyombeka la azotholala khona kalula. I know you. We must just help you because you think we are scared of you. I mean, I'm not. I'm not scared of you. Mina ke ngiyinsizwe engekho nje afraid. Into evele libeke nje iqiniso lithi. We are not afraid of you. Siyamyazi ubaqedile abafowethu la ka TikTok. Yes, ubaqedile abafowethu khona la ka TikTok. Iqiniso nje liyokukhulula hamba emndenini kaSiqiniseko uyoxolisa khona because ubaqedile abafowethu la ka TikTok. Ubaqedile abafowethu. You are wearing a mask because you know that you can be identified in all footages akhona eSouth Africa ngokufa kwabafowethu. We know you. Oh, uyabona ubusunesiqinisekiso sokuthi uMax uzoshona ngoba uyazi ukuthi uhlalaphi nani usufuna ukuframe uKing Bhaka. We see you ukuthi besufuna ukuframe uKing Bhaka. So sisukuma nje ngoba siyakubona. Actually I want to let you know silungisile indaba yami noMax. Si right manje. We have fixed our matter. Si right. So konke lokho bukuzama. We want to let you know ukuthi we are watching you now. Wena ke manje umuntu esesimbhekile ukuthi ubhekephi ngalento yakho. I'm just watching you. Ukuthi indaba yami noMax kudala silungisile sese right manje. That's the reason why ngibheke zonke lezi zithe ezikhulumayo. I'm just watching because wena Myeza ubufuna ukuthi ubulalo wedwa phakathi kwethu and then besu frame uKing Bhaka uzigama lika King Bhaka lizongcola. We are just watching you. Now we want to see where are you going to go because everyone is expecting that Tuesday to happen. Tuesday